145 years, McGregor's has survived 2 world wars, the COVID pandemic, 2 earthquakes, which the old girl survived. It rocked around a little bit, but she survived, never fell down, and I was in it for both of them. G'day, yeah, my name's McGregor. I'm the owner of McGregor's Shoe Service, and I've been here since I was 16 years old. So McGregor's opened in Christchurch in 1880. It was opened by George Thomas and his family. They lived in the shop, so it was all one building in those days. And in about 1950, my father Derek bought it for £500. Retired probably about 40 years ago, and I took over the business. And we always think it's not about making a sale, it's just about making a customer. So we've got a pretty varied customer base. Yeah, there's no real rhyme or reason to who sort of gets them repaired. It's just looking after that sort of footwear they've had for a long time, and their parents have bought shoes in, and then their kids have bought shoes in as well, and then possibly the next generation will bring them in. So it's a bit of a generation thing as well, which is kind of cool to look after one family through their kids and watch their kids grow up. The shoe repairing game is sort of something that I'm all off, obviously, and in particular we do a lot of work with R.M. Williams. I just love looking after quality footwear and bringing them back to brand new. It's very self-satisfying. We're in an age, I suppose, we have been for some time now, where it's just a throwaway society. People buy shoes for $30 and expect them to last. It's just not like that. So, you know, you get what you pay for. So it's not about just fixing the shoes, it's about preserving something for someone. The biggest change has probably been social media presence, which is a definite in this day and age for a small business especially. Having a presence on Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, all those things, it's just a great way of showing what we do to people. Yeah, things have moved on in a good way. Dad would be blown away if he thought you could come in and just touch your watch on an Eftpos machine and pay your bill. In fact, this is a little bag that he, when I first started, we used to bring our cash to work and there'd be all the coins in there, which would be 1s, 2s, 5s, 10s, 20s and 50s.